Okay, what is up guys? Today we're gonna be playing some more Roblox. And you get out the way, McAfee. Shut up. Or my bad, what should we play? We're gonna play a game that we haven't played yet in this channel. We're just gonna go, no. Not the way. Open Roblox and now we gotta check for a bit. 0 processed. Right now I'm posting a video while making a video. Isn't that weird, guys? Isn't that weird? Alright, we're just gonna go over here. Yup. Yeah, I know y'all can hear me, right? Y'all can hear me. Yup. So in the video I'm posting right now, basically, playing, it's more gameplay basically, but what are you doing? You're not pooping anymore. Yeah, that's what you get, legitimately. Stop! Don't push me! Don't push me! Make me mad! And look, it's Lionel Messi. What are you doing in Roblox, Lionel? Wait, he's black. I didn't know Lionel was black. Anyways, Black Lives Matter too, but anybody can be any type of like skin any day. Still sad about the George Floyd thingy, but let's just enjoy the gameplay. Let's check again if we're up. Good. Gonna have to check again. Is it me though, or is it that none of my friends know how to record on computer, or are they just lying that they don't even have a computer? Are they just lying that they don't even have a computer? It makes me feel like they're lying, but anyways, a couple days ago I was looking at my friend. Why is he built like that, or he, whatever? He can be LGBTQ. I mean, Pride Month is over, so no more pride flags. No more pride flags, but basically, I was watching his videos like a couple days ago to see some old memories about when he was probably like 7 or 8. Bro, why is he? Oh, no. Get me on. No, get on him. Look. Oh my god, little hoodie fan. No, get on. No, I want to be right there. I want to be hit or miss. I want to be next. Bro, no. Or me, it's my turn. Oh, damn. Anyways, we're gonna go over here. Oh yeah. Oh no. You wanna die? Oh no. Why do I always get in the lake? I wanna be in the lake again. I hate being in the lake. Everyone's full with lakes. Well, let's see this kid. Oh, I forgot I'm not on passive. So let's push them. Sounds like I'm being a bully, but it's just a game, so I'm technically not being a bully. So anyways, don't ask why I look like a freaking hype beast. I probably am a Robloxian hype beast. I know hype beasts are pretty much dead memes, bro. Whatever it is, I'm not a high beast. Or probably am. But yeah, we're gonna kill the Lord. Let's kill this guy. You're gonna be my next prey. Pray for your life, sir. pray to Jesus and God and Mary. Oh, ho, it's Lionel Messi again. Speak Spanish. I know he can't hear me. Just go away. Go away. Go away. Anyways, we're gonna hope that one of our friends joins me so we can be entertained. Pretty much, yeah. So we're gonna check out if we're actually recording. Yes. Boom. Boom. Or they can hear us. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! No! Oh no! I should have gone on passive. Go on passive. Come get me! Come get me! Oh my god, another. I think I'm. It looks like a freaking kidnapper. Oh no! I don't think I see Messi anywhere. I don't think. Some of y'all are ugly and fat, but that's okay. So. I mean, being ugly and fat is okay. You shouldn't care about someone's, like, weight, whatever. So, let me guess. He got Robux for the first time. Yes, I pretty much guessed it right. Why is everybody shaking? Shake that. If you're too young if you don't know what that song is. Shake that. You're legit too young to not know that song. Sit. I'm just gonna sit down and enjoy the view. Pretty much everybody here is gonna die. That's all what I know. Why is everybody shaking? Bro, stop shaking! Shake that. That's a lot of good memories when I listen to that song. I listened to it like a couple days ago. Just to bring back some good memories. I'm like getting memories again. That's nice. Getting memories. If I could, I would push you right now. But I'm on passive mode, which doesn't let you push people. I mean, you can stop shaking. Why is there blood on your butt? He's a blood. I bet he got Robux for the first time. First time I got Robux, I used my mom's credit card. Sit. There they go. Boom. There they go. Boom. Boom. No, not here. No, don't go. No, they left. Oh my god, what are you doing? Oh my god, he is on next games mode. That is very nice. Is he Spider-Man? No, that's Superman. I forgot that's Superman. Oh no. That's what happens. You're Superman. You aren't supposed to stick to stuff. You're supposed to be the strongest man. What if I feed you some kryptonite soup? You'll die, obviously. I mean, I was a big fan of Spider-Man Spider-Man and basically Superman when I was later. But nowadays I really don't watch that much stuff. Oh no, it's Lionel Messi again! Oh no, it's Lionel Messi again! What's Lionel Messi doing? Let's ask him. Let's go ask him. Come on, Lionel Messi, die! Die, Lionel. I mean, I'm still a big fan of Messi. You know, that's what's up. I'm a big fan. Javon KP. Oh, damn, he has Robux. Oh, give me Robux. Yeah, it's your time to die. It's your time to die too. And you're so... I'm not even scared of a bomb. I'm not even scared of a bomb, and it's time to kill you. Boom. Oh, look, fake Supreme. I love when people wear fake Supreme and jam. You're hot. You're hot. Cutie, cutie. I'm not gay or LGBT. He just looks nice because that's my favorite YouTuber. I mean, hey, I'm a erd. I'm a erd. Hype beast. Hype beast. Hype beast alert. Hype beast alert. Well, I was fun to say. Roll banger. Roll banger alert. Roll banger. I mean, I'm legit wearing Supreme right now, so I'm legit so mad. I'm legit so mad. Why can I not play Bloxburg? Because I have no Robux. I should have wasted my Robux on Bloxburg. But I didn't. Let's just go on here. No one ever pays attention to these until I come around. Every time I come around, everybody just pays attention. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Let's fuck around. Oh, yeah, boy. Oh, yeah, boy. I know you saw it. Oh, yeah, that smacked my head. That smacked my head real hard. Oh, yeah. Anyways, we're gonna pretty much end the recording here. So, bye, guys. Have a great day. Bye, bye, bye.